Hello everyone, Raquel here. Listen, if you want to improve your immunity, if you want a better eye health, if you want help with digestion or better hair, better skin, better nails, even help prevent cancer in a delicious way, guess what? And if you like mangoes, then you know today's video is definitely for you. Okay, so before we begin, please, we encourage you to hit that subscription button and the notification bell. It tells us that you enjoy our content and that you love to see future uploads just like this one. Okay, so moving on. Mangoes are one of the most versatile fruits in the entire world. As a matter of fact, in parts of the world, it is known as the king of fruits, and that I can identify with because guess what? Mangoes are my actual favorite fruits. Now, a little bit of history. Mango is native to India and Southeast Asia and has been cultivated for over 4,000 years. However, that little fact may be hard to prove in my island home, Jamaica, where all the countryside stayed littered with these fruits during the summer months. Now, there are several varieties of mangoes, and they all come with their own unique taste, shape, and sizes. So, why did God place these delicious fruits here on earth for us to enjoy? We're about to explore right now. 2 very important facts. Mango is low in calorie, but it is packed with a lot of nutrients. The next thing, it is also very high in antioxidants. It not only boosts your immunity and supports your heart health, but it also helps with your digestive health. It supports your eyes health, as well as it may improve your hair and skin, and may help lower your risk of certain cancers. Mango is packed with nutrients such as vitamin C for immunity, copper, protein, folate, B6 and B5, vitamin A, vitamin E. It also has very important vitamin K, as well as potassium, manganese, thiamine, and magnesium. All that will help to sustain our body's health. So let's talk about vitamin K for a moment. Vitamin K produces a type of protein and clotting factor that is very important for bone. Also, there are other fruits like kiwi fruit, rhubarb, blueberries, avocados that also provide a lot of vitamin K for our body. Another one, vitamin A, very important, very nutritious. Mango has it, that's why we love it. It protects our eyes from night blindness and age-related decline. It helps to support healthy immune system. And get this, it also promotes healthy growth and reproduction. And it also helps with heart, lungs, kidney, and other organs to work properly. Now let's vibe on the healthy heart flex, because you know I'm a part of a very unique and prestigious group out of New York Presbyterian Hospital, Heart Smarts, which helps to spread awareness for better heart health to lower cardiovascular diseases. How does mango help? Well, mango is high in potassium, and a potassium high diet helps to reduce blood pressure, water retention, protect against stroke, prevent osteoporosis, and also helps with kidney stones. Another great thing that mango helps with, and that is with boosting your antioxidant level. Mangoes are packed with polyphenols, which is a plant compound that functions as antioxidant. Just in case you're wondering what antioxidants are important for our body because they protect our cells against free radical damage. And in case you're also wondering what are free radicals, what happens is they bind together and they damage our cells. They lead to aging and also other chronic diseases. Another thing that mango does for us, it helps with our immunity. Get this, 1 cup of mango provides 10% of our vitamin A needs and almost 70% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin C. Okay, back to the healthy heart flex. With magnesium and potassium being supers in the world of better cardiovascular health, mango sits on the list of foods that may help to lower blood cholesterol as well as free fatty acid levels. The reason is it contains that super antioxidant compound magniferin that we explained earlier that helps to protect our cells against inflammation and oxidative stress. Now, digestive health. Mango has a digestive enzyme called amylase, which breaks down our food molecules for better absorption. Plus, it is loaded with fiber and plenty of water. Alright, my friends, if you did enjoy this video, again, I encourage you, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so we know you like the content, so we can produce more content just like this for you. Alright, stay gardening, stay planting, and remember, stay in top flight, because we have to help each other to be the best expression of ourselves. See you at the top.